Hello everyone, we're going to discuss today about dictionaries and we're going to know what's a dictionary and how can we use it. Okay, first of all, we have some questions we're going to answer them. What's a dictionary? What are the types of dictionaries? How to use each type. Okay, next one we have the definition of dictionary. What's a dictionary? Dictionary is a book that contains a list of words in alphabetical order with their meanings explained or written in the same or another language. Next one we have types of dictionary. The first one, word dictionary. Next one, visual dictionary. Dictionary of particular subject, specific purpose. Thesaurus dictionary. Monolingual dictionary, bilingual dictionary, glossary, pocket dictionary, mini dictionary, rhyming dictionary. Okay, let's discuss the first type in detail, which is word dictionary. We can find the first type inside it, which is English dictionary, which means that we have a dictionary with the same language, okay, which is English. So inside the English dictionary, what will you find in it? Spelling of a word and form of letters. Okay, the definition gives the meaning of the word. A word may have more than one definition. The definitions are listed and numbered. Number 3, pronunciation key or phonetic symbol. Okay, to say the word, syllable, and which syllable is stressed also. You can find numbers of syllables. You can also find which syllable is stressed inside the dictionary. Number 4, parts of a speech. Verb, noun, adjective, adverb, suffix, prefix, and so on. Okay, and then we have acronym or abbreviation, which means the short form of a word, like USA, United States, we can call it US, okay, United States. Number 6, which is synonym, which is word which expresses about the same or very similar meaning of another word. For example, we can find big, large, okay, they are synonyms. Antonym, which expresses about the opposite meaning of another word, the word's history or origin. Okay, where did the word come from and its original meaning? Then we have Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary as an example for this. We can find here a spelling, part of a speech, phonetic symbols, and also here we can find idioms, expression like related to this word, and also we can find here meaning, definitions, okay, and here we can find examples. And this is kind of example about using dictionary as like an English dictionary or word dictionary. Next one, we have examples. Merriam-Webster Dictionary, Cambridge Advanced Learners, Oxford Advanced Learners, and Longman Advanced American Dictionary. All of these dictionaries are an example, or like an example of these words, or we can find like this explanation or something inside each one. Okay, and you can find or search for them. You can find them easily. Let's move to the next types of dictionaries, and we have number 2, visual dictionary. It introduces the words to young learners or to young children to understand the words easily. For example, Longman Photo Dictionary of American English. So here we can find photos inside the dictionary. Number 3, dictionary of particular subject, contains a list of words in alphabetical order, provides the information about particular subject or field such as medicine, tourism, accounting, and so on. Thesaurus Dictionary, a book that lists words in groups that have similar meanings. For example, big and large. Here, monolingual dictionary. A monolingual dictionary uses the same language for the words and their definitions. Bilingual dictionary. A bilingual dictionary gives words in 2 languages. Each language is grouped alphabetically in separate halves of a book, or actually which has like translations and into the other language. For example, we can find an English Arabic or Arabic English dictionary, so we can find two languages inside the dictionary. Glossary. Yeah, glossary is a list of words or phrases used in a particular field with their definitions. Glossaries are often found at the back of a specialist or academic book as an appendix to the text. Pocket dictionary. A pocket dictionary is a small portable dictionary designed to be carried around, and sometimes it's called mini dictionary. Here we go in number 10, the last type with us, which is rhyming dictionary. Rhyming dictionary is one where words are grouped together by their end sounds. When two words end with the same sound, they rhyme, used more frequently in poetry than prose as an effect. And the last thing that we can discuss, which is we have some collection. We can find the link below this video. In the description you can find this one. We have some we have collection of dictionaries. We can work with them on Android phone, online, PDF file, and computer or PC or like your laptop. Okay, so it's so easy to find many dictionaries in all device. It's so easy. So have also collection. You can find it in the description. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel and wait for the next videos. We can find more details about dictionaries. Thank you.